A shopkeeper allows a discount of 15% on the marked price of a mobile phone. If a customer paid $170 for mobile phone, what was the marked price of the phone? Okay, let's start by writing out the information that were given in the question. We are given that the shopkeeper allows a discount of 15%. So the percent discount is what? 15%. Okay. If a customer paid $170, so that means the selling price. Okay, selling price is what? $170. That is the selling price. It is very, very important that you pay attention. If the customer paid $170, that means the price that the seller sold the mobile phones out is $170. Do you understand? Okay. For the mobile phone, what was the marked price of the phone? The marked price. We don't know the marked price. The marked price is what we want to determine. Okay. Let the marked price is equals to X. I'm starting the solution right now. Okay, feel free to pause the video, then attempt the question. Then when you are done, play the video to check whether your answer is correct. Okay, so let the marked price is equals to X. From the previous example that we learned, we can easily determine the marked price. You understand? If the seller gave 15% discount, that means that the percentage left is what? 100 minus 15. You understand? The percentage which the phone was sold out is what? 100 minus 15. So the percentage which the phone was sold out is what? 100 minus 15. 100 minus 15%. That is 100 minus 15% is 85%. Okay? 85%. Now, you can easily determine the value of X since we know that discount is always expressed as a percentage of the marked price. You understand? So, having obtained a discount of 15%, the buyer is able to purchase the mobile phone as $170. So, for this, I'm going to have 85% of the marked price must be equal to what? $170. You understand? Because the question says the buyer obtained a discount of 15%. You understand? The seller gave a 15% discount. So the selling price now reduced to this. The marked price is the price without discount. The price of the mobile phone when there is no discount at all. That is what we call the marked price or the listing price. So for this, I'm going to have 85%, 85 all over 100 multiplied by X is equals to $170. $170. Okay, so for this I'm going to have 85x all over 100 is equals to $170. You understand? Okay, so for this I'm going to cross multiply. 85x will be equals to $170 multiplied by 100. You understand? This is 100. Okay, so for this I'm going to have 85x is equals to $17,000. You understand? So to get the marked price, I'm going to divide both sides by what? 85. This over 85. So X will now be equals to $170 divided by 85. That will give us $200. You understand? So for this, I'm going to have X is equals to $200. That is the marked price of the product. You understand? Please pay attention. The marked price of the product is what? X. And X is equal to what? $200. So the marked price of the product is what? $200. That is the listing price of the product. You understand? So let's say the question says you should calculate the discount amount. I'm very sure you can do that. The discount amount is equals to the difference between the marked price and what? The selling price. That is $200 minus $170. That will give us the discount amount. Okay, that is how to go about the question. Okay, see you in the next class. To watch the next class, kindly check the description of this video. You are going to see a link there. Click on that link, or you should check the playlist on this channel. Okay. See you in the next class.